Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Growing Kids. Today I'm going to say about my experience of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Let us get started. This is the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone part 1 by J.K. Rowling. These are all the pictures of the other books. There are 17 chapters in the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Chapter 1, The Boy Who Lived. Chapter 2, The Vanishing Glass. Chapter 3, The Letters from No One. Chapter 4, The Keeper of Keys. Chapter 5, Diagon Alley. Chapter 6, The Journey from Platform 9 and 3/4. Chapter 7, The Sorting Hat. Chapter 8, The Potions Master. Chapter 9, The Midnight Duel. Chapter 10, The Halloween. Chapter 11, Quidditch. Chapter 12, Mirror of Erised. Chapter 13, Nicholas Flamel. Chapter 14, Norbert, the Norwegian Rideback. Chapter 15, The Forbidden Forest. Chapter 16, Through the Trapdoor. Chapter 17, The Man with Two Faces. There are totally 310 pages in this book. This is the view. Hogsmeade, Quidditch Stadium, Broomshed, Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, Hogwarts Castle, the lake, greenhouses, Whomping Willow, Quidditch lessons, Hagrid's hut, Forbidden Forest. That's all. And Hogsmeade Station. That's all. See the Harry Potter's books view. Now, what is in the book? Harry Potter has never heard of Hogwarts when the letters start dropping on the doormat at number 4 Private Drive, addressed in green ink on yellowish parchment with a purple seal. They are swiftly confiscated. His grisly aunt and uncle. Then on Harry's 11th birthday, a great beetle-eyed giant of a man called Rubeus Hagrid bursts in with astonishing news. Harry Potter is a wizard and he has a place at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. An incredible adventure is about to begin. This is the real book code number. That's all we have seen about the first book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. For the next book description, I will start putting a video of the next book. Bye bye.